In the lowlands of Creggan there lives a white hare, as swift as a swallow that flies through the air. He can track the world over, find none to compare to the bite of low Creggan, that bonny white hare. One fine autumn morning, as you might suppose, the red golden sun on the green mountain rose. When he come down, and this did declare, well, today I'll put an end to that bonny white hare. So he searched through the lowlands and out through the glens, among the wild ditches where the white hare had dens, till at last coming home on a bark bank so bare, from behind a wild thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang bang when his gun and his dogs he slipped too, all over the mountain like the March when they flew. But his dog soon came back and it made Bonnie cry, for he knew that the white hare had bid him goodbye. Now some jolly sportsmen down here from Banjo, comes down to Gannon and likewise Illinois. With their pedigree greyhound they come from afar, and they travel to Creggan in their fine motor car. So it's down in the lowlands those sportsmen did go, to search for the white hare they looked high and low. Till at last Bonnie Conway he came on its sled, shouted out to the huntsman, here lies the white hare. So they called in their greyhounds from off the green lea, Bonnie and the sportsmen all jumped high with glee. On the cliff bank they all gathered round, 7 men and 9 dogs did that poor hare surround. Well, no wonder the white hare did tremble with fear. She stood on her hind legs and raised her big ears. She stood on her hind legs and took one great spring. She jumped over the greyhounds and broke through the ring. Well, the chase it went on was a beautiful view, across the green meadows like the March when they flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they couldn't